Oh, welcome YouTube, welcome Rumble, welcome Facebook. I just want to introduce another update there. I just want to introduce immune support system. It's a supplement there, probably keep your immune system up to par, and it's pretty much being offered by DelamaHealth.com or Delama, that's pretty much which they have 8-in-1 immune support system, which they have vitamin C, which is an immune system guardian for your body's health. Ichignia, which can shorten the duration of cold and flu. Elderberry, which does tame the inflammation and helps protect your heart. And also turmeric has the potential to improve heart health and other benefits. And ginger, which helps your body roll off germs. And zinc, which helps your immune system and metabolism function. And garlic, which protects cell damage and aging. And vitamin D3, which supports immune function and bone health. Oh, it was like a while back. I made a ginger and garlic soup to a neighbor who was kind of down, really under the weather there, and it was made with ground up ginger, which I had a little recipe on to make a soup there. I chopped up the ginger and I boiled the garlic there, and I poured in some stock there with the making soup, and I grounded that out with one of those handheld mixers. And that's pretty much, I gave him a couple bowls of it there. The next day, he kind of licked his ailments, or pretty much tenfold. And the next product is Herbal Cap. Herbal Cap was herbal supplements for holistic wellness. And the products they have offer joint support, which they offer Flyplex will change your life forever. And they also have immunity support, which protects immune pathogens such as microbes and infections. There's a immunity booster, and the weight loss product, and it's designed quickly put your body in a state of ketosis, so you can help start burning fat instead of carbs. And the effectiveness of the fire burn has created a lot of copycats whose low quality products that just don't really stand up to the competition. It's pretty much the subpar products that you find out in general nutritional stores, brick and mortar stores, which they have a lot of subpar products. And the stress support, the stress comfort, which is a 5-calm, is a groundbreaking new stress and anxiety relief supplement that is specifically designed to make you feel calmer, soothed, and relaxed. I was with mental clarity. And since you can't really afford to get angered times like this, and I just want to introduce you another, since social media such as Parler. So I'm back on posting on Parler, which I probably mentioned like Dan Bongino, which he kind of had a stake in it there before it was taken out by cancel culture. Well, I kind of like when it came back online with new servers and with more and more protections. It's back online with I thought it was pretty much down for the count. So I'm back on Parler, so I'll probably be posting on Parler. Have articles I'll be sharing with you on Parler, as well as other videos as well. And it's pretty much important that got inside offer credit restoration services for consumer and businesses alike. It's important to focus on your health. That's why I'm pretty much offering immune supplements and healthcare supplements for weight loss. Because your business will be pretty much useless to you since you're like under the weather, like in bed, or not able to perform your normal business functions. So I do like to stress that nothing is more important to your health. And I want to mention Ty and Charlene Bollinger, truthaboutcancer.org, which I have a 9-episode series on exposing the nefarious actions of the pharmaceutical industry, as well as other political factions to suppress alternative treatments on cancer and other ailments that's pretty much ailing the human race. So I'll probably be reminding you to share this video far and wide, offer credit restoration, as well as other financial services such as identity protection, as well as services with Ameriplan, discounts in dental, vision, and chiropractic care, as well as telemedicine and saving on prescription drugs. So I just want to make it important, share this video far and wide, since also on Patreon. You can find me on Gab and other social media sites as Schmooze, which is going to be pretty much taking America by storm. And there's no sign-up fee. It's free to join. No waiting list there. So I'm on Gab. Other sites is MeWe and USA.life. It's pretty much alternative social media. And I'm exploring other viable social media websites. So when one of the video services or platforms goes down, you're going to be finding me other platforms such as Facebook, Rumble, and Gab, and other sources, to name a few. So since William Drosky, just reminding you to shake the money tree, share this video far and wide, and don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, I'm in another location here at the deck there. I also want to point out that I'm posting back on Parler, since kind of growing a little more confident and controversies kind of settled down with the cancel culture, since that platform it's been down for a while there, and since it's back up on another social media platform, and since it kind of canceled out with the servers, due to the cancel culture and the culture war that's going on. So I'm back on posting at Parler, and I'm researching other social media websites. The websites that I'm currently on, it's like not only on Facebook, but that itself is compromised as well. The YouTube and alternative sites I'm on is Gab, Rumble. You can also find me on Patreon as well as MeWe and USA Life, which is good social media to migrate to. And also, I like to bring up with the news of social media that's going to be taking America by storm is Schmooze. And it's pretty much a no waiting list there to join, free to join there. So if you're an entrepreneur or a small business that looking to gain leads, I invite you to subscribe to Schmooze there to gain more variety there. And the thing is, I'm steps to the porch with we got some herbs grown and some fruits and vegetables. Vegetables and peppers and tomatoes. It's pretty much should be growing a lot more items there instead of just a couple pots there, because due to the food crisis that's going on, there's going to be pretty much with the store shelves going to be empty with nothing to buy in pretty much October, and some experts are saying. So you might want to be reaching out to local farmers, local ranchers that look local grown, because that stuff's not going to be supplied in your regular supermarket, since they're shutting everything down to this pervasive war that's being waged on humanity. I just wanted to let you know, my name is Wayne Pedrassi. I offer credit restoration services and business training for entrepreneurs that are seeking to up their game and have the secret to success there. So check out my website, dumbexperts.com. Like, share, and subscribe to the videos there, and don't forget to shake the money tree, and don't forget to email me to reach out to me if you have other ideas on website promotion or a new social media site that I should check out there. This is Wayne Pedrassi reminding you to shake the money tree and hit unsubscribe and share this video far and wide.